Hi everyone, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be some easy DIY Christmas ornaments for your Christmas tree. So for the first one, I used an old sellotape tube that was empty and I cut out some even-sized pieces of wool. And basically we're going to be making a mini hat. So I got a piece of wool, I folded it in half and I put it through the middle of the sellotape tube, and then what I did was I pulled the two loose ends through the loop end of the piece of wool. It's quite hard to explain, but you can see here what I'm doing. Although that second one didn't go to plan the first time. And basically just keep doing that again and again and again until your whole sellotape tube roll thingy is filled up with pieces of wool. And this is what it will look like. You can pull on the loose strings to tighten it. Next, you're going to get another piece of that wool and lay it flat on your table. And similarly to how you would with a pom-pom, you make a knot around the top of the loose ends of string. Pull that really tightly and make a knot. As I said before, it's easy to see but quite hard to explain. Once you've finished tying that knot, you can go ahead and cut it off. I left a little bit of wool to act as a little pom-pom for the hat. And it looks adorable. The next craft is a Santa bauble. So to start, I got a red bauble. Then on a piece of paper, I drew a Santa belt. To do this, I just drew a square, which I coloured in gold, and I used my black Tombow dual brush pen to create lines around it to act as the belt. This is so easy. All you need to do is cut out this piece of paper and then wrap it around a bauble. You could do the same thing by drawing a scarf and wrapping it around a white bauble for a snowman, and it will look adorable. The next one I'm not showing you how to make, simply because I've made so many of them before, and it's basically just a sewn ornament. So as you can see here, I had cut out pieces of felt and I sewed them together and filled it with stuffing, cotton stuffing, and sewed it back up. And just add a ribbon and it looks adorable. Mine are a reindeer and a penguin. Next is a knitted wreath. As I said in my Christmas DIY gift video, I will in the future make a video on knitting, but basically for those of you who already know how to knit, the measurements are, I think I cast 20 on and I made 4 or 5 rows. This is really cute, and if you have maybe a darker green colour, it might look more effective. Also, in this video of the craft, I made the piece of, like the rectangular piece of knitting, and then I sewed the two ends together. But what I noticed was when I cast off, I did it quite tightly, and so it kind of became like a letter C shape. And if you make another one of those and put it next to it and sew it together, you'll have a perfect circle. You'll see what I mean in a bit when the clip comes up of me sewing the two ends together. So this is what I meant by it looking like a letter C. It sort of curved itself round because I made it so tight. So like I said, if you made another one of these, then you could sew them together and you'd have literally a perfect circle. But anyways, I just sewed the two ends of it together, which is why when I finished casting off, I left a really long piece of wool so that I could use that to sew with instead of having to cut a new piece of wool. This is such a cute and adorable craft, and it looks really cute on my Christmas tree. With the what am I saying? With the excess pieces of wool, you can tie them together and that'll be your hook to put it on your Christmas tree. Next, I used a piece of pink wool. I did think about using red, but my red wool was really flimsy and it just kept falling apart. And using that pink wool, I made a bow. If you made a really big version of this, a really big wreath, then you could add buttons and you could stitch in little baubles and holly berries and all that sort of thing to make it look like a really realistic wreath. I sewed that bow on, and then after that I was done. The next craft was, in my opinion, the prettiest. And basically, it's a 3D scene ornament. So I cut a cylinder shape tube from from an empty toilet roll tube, and I used the rest of the toilet roll tube to create 3 circles. The circles are the same size and shape as the cylinder tube. So I drew some scenes on those. The first one is snow, the second one is snow and a tree, the third one is snow and a house. And I'm going to go ahead and cut those out. And basically, I'm going to put them one behind the other to create a 3D scene. So using an excess piece of the toilet roll tube, I put some glue on it and I just dipped the edges of each of the little scenes that I made in the glue, and then I stuck it into the cylinder roll tube thingy. So I had the snow at the front, the tree in the middle, and the house at the back, and it ended up looking so cute and really adorable. I then wrapped it in some glittery tape, and I didn't show it on camera, like I didn't film it because I didn't think of it at the time, but I ended up painting the inside walls of it in powder blue paint. I used some thread to create a hoop a hoop thing to wrap it around the Christmas tree with. So I just made a knot in that. And after that I was done. So this is a clip here of how they all look on our Christmas tree. I think they all look adorable and I really love them. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!